Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about one of the most important security solutions used in enterprise networks, Cisco Secure Identity Services Engine, or Cisco ISE. By the end of this presentation, you'll understand what Cisco ISE is, why organizations need it, and how to protect networks by ensuring only trusted users and devices gain access. Let's start with a simple scenario. Imagine two people connect to your company Wi Fi at exactly the same time. The first person is an employee using a company laptop. Within seconds, they get access to emails, internal applications, shared files. The second person plugs in is an unknown laptop. Instead of gaining access, the device is immediately blocked. So the question is, how does the network know who should be trusted? That's exactly where ICE comes in. So, what exactly is Cisco ISE? Cisco ISE is a centralized network access control or NAC solution. Think of it as a security gatekeeper for your network. Before allowing any user or device onto the network, ICE verifies their identity, checks whether the device is trusted, and then decides what level of access they should receive. In short, Cisco ISE makes access decisions based on identity rather than simply allowing anyone who connects. So, why do we need Cisco ISE? Without identity based security, anyone who connects to your network could potentially access sensitive resources. This creates significant security risks. Cisco ISE changes that by ensuring every user and device is authenticated, authorized, and monitored. Instead of an open network, organizations gain controlled, secure, and auditable access. Now, how does Cisco ISE works? The process is actually very straightforward. First, a user or device connects to the network. Cisco ISE then verifies their identity, checks the device, and evaluates security policies. Based on those policies, it decides whether to grant full access, limited access, or block the connection entirely. Every access request goes through this decision making process. Now, let's look at some common examples. An employee using a managed company laptop receives full access because the user and device meets company policies. A guest visiting the office is given temporary internet or internet only access through a guest portal. Finally, if an unknown or non compliant device tries to connect, Cisco ISE can quarantine it or block it completely. So, this ensures every user receives only the level of access they actually need. Now, let's look at an analogy. It's a great way to understand ISE to compare it to airport security. Before boarding a flight, passengers must verify their identity, present a boarding pass, and pass through security screening. Only then they are allowed to get onto the aircraft. So Cisco ISE works exactly the same way. It verifies the identity of every user and device before granting access to the network. Here are the key features. Cisco ISE offers several powerful features. It provides authentication and authorization, secure guest access, support for BYOD devices, device profiling, posture assessment to verify endpoint health, dynamic VLAN assignment, detailed accounting for monitoring the user activities. Together, these features provide centralized and intelligent network security. Now, as business value for organizations, ICE delivers much more than security. It strengthens protection against unauthorized access, supports employees using personal devices, and it provides the access securely, simplifies policy management through a centralized platform, and provides a complete visibility into who is accessing the network and when. This helps improve both security and operational efficiency. Now, the key takeaway is to summarize, ICE ensures that only the right users using trusted devices can access the right resources at the right time. It brings identity, security, and automation together, making it a key component of a zero trust security strategy. Thank you for your attention. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have that you can put in the comments section.